Gang, how you going? Skypolar here for another daily dose of unpackaging something from overseas. What's in the package? Straight away, you got it. That's a Banggood colour right there. So yeah, Banggood. Link in the description. Awesome website. You don't know about Banggood, you should know about it. Yeah, good gear, lots of tech, lots of funky stuff, cheap prices, great shipping, etc, etc, etc. Yeah, check them out. So anyway, in here I suspect there's a few things I bought from Banggood. I'm really waiting on a couple of cool drones and some remote controllers and stuff, but this one here I suspect is possibly a couple of watches. I'm doing some reviews on some super funky and super cheap watches from Banggood. Stay tuned. Okay, so first up, while we're chit-chatting, have a look at the top right of the screen. There's going to be a poll there. How much do you reckon this costs? Without cheating and going online, tell me what you reckon she's worth. The packaging, it doesn't come in anything fancy, it doesn't come in any boxes or anything like that. Actually, it's actually fairly weighty. Got a bit of weight to this watch. No, it's not a ProTrek by Casio. That's a Mudmaster over $1,000, but it is one kick-ass, monstrous, chunky SMAEL. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. SMAEL. Okay. First impressions, never seen one of these before, but hey, that's really cool. It's probably not all that waterproof, but anyway, yeah. Hey, that's cool. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm a bit blown away. I thought it'd be a real rubbishy, junky looking thing, but that actually looks half decent. It's got a screen protector on it here, which you can peel off, which I'll do shortly. Now, what does it do? Let's have a look. So we got stopwatch. We've got a thing here that turns. I think you pull that out to change the analog clock, correct? And push it in. Apart from that, I don't think it does anything. So start, reset. Over here we've got a light, which just lights up the LCD screen that's under the second hand there, and also the time of day over on the left here. Still, that's pretty decent. What are your thoughts? Okay, so mode, bottom right, we have an alarm, stopwatch, and that's about it. There's no sliding bezel. Got no idea what that does, but it does appear to be a button. No, I don't know. I'll have to find out. If anybody knows what that does, let me know, please. Yeah. No, it doesn't clear that. Doesn't appear to do that. It may. That's to change the time on the left. No, the little red hand there doesn't seem to move. So it's basically an analog and digital clock. So, just in comparison, that's the Samsung Galaxy watch there. You can see it's yeah, pretty decent size. Let's put it on and have a look at it. Why would you buy one of these? That's my question. Well, I'll probably answer by saying if you've got a kick-ass expensive watch and you want to do something in the garden, but you still want to know what the time is, that's the thing to do. So if you're wondering about the price, I haven't forgotten. This watch was $21 Australian, which yeah, I think you'll agree, it's a bloody bargain. Yeah, beauty, eh? Not bad at all. Okay. Well, we'll leave it at that for now. I shall unpackage the next one in the next video. So there you have it. the SMAEL. Not a snail, it's a SMAEL. SMAEL watch. It's the SKU 766419 in army green. I'm impressed with that. You can walk around and people go, "Oh, look at that watch." And if you don't let them touch it or play with it, they'll think, "Geez, that's a really expensive watch." Awesome. Crikey, it says 20 past 10. Get out of here. Great. Thanks, guys. Drop a comment, like, subscribe, thumbs up, or just completely disregard anything I ever make in the future. Have a great afternoon. Have a good arvo, and yeah. See you in the next unpackaging.